In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch subscription status in TradingView. If you need to adjust your plan or make sure your account reflects the correct status, this walkthrough will make it simple and stress-free. We'll move through the exact screens you need, and I'll share a few tips so everything goes smoothly. First, look to the top left of the TradingView interface. Click on your profile, then select your profile name from the menu that appears. From there, choose Settings and Billing. This takes you to the central place where your account details and subscription controls live. If you're on a smaller screen and don't immediately see the option, try expanding the window or scrolling within the menu. The wording may be slightly different depending on updates, but you're looking for the section that clearly mentions settings and billing information. Once you're in, go to the Subscriber Status tab. This is where TradingView displays your current plan and eligibility. Click on Update. That button opens the controls for changing what your account recognizes as your active subscription status. Take a second here to review what's shown on the page so you're confident you're in the right spot. If the tab doesn't appear right away, let the page finish loading and check for any horizontal navigation at the top of the billing section. Now, change it to the correct subscriber status you are. Select the status that matches what you intend to use moving forward. Read the on-screen labels carefully, because the names of statuses can look similar, and you want to ensure you're choosing the one that best fits your needs. After selecting, the page usually reflects your choice immediately or prompts you with a brief confirmation. If anything looks off, reopen the Update option and verify your selection before proceeding. And that's all. You've navigated to your profile, opened Settings and Billing, visited the Subscriber Status tab, clicked Update, and switched to the correct status. Give the page a moment to refresh, and you should see your new status displayed. If you don't, try a quick refresh of the browser or sign out and back in to sync the view. Keeping your subscriber status accurate helps ensure your features, alerts, and tools match what you expect when you're analyzing charts or building strategies. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide if you want to follow along on your own screen.